Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I'm with the Roland BN20a today, and I was just making some custom stickers. So this machine is a print and cut system. It's really awesome for making unique stickers like these you see here. They have this really cool contour cut design going on. But while it is a great sticker machine, you can also do things for apparel with this. So in this video, I'm going to go through the steps and show you how to make some custom aprons for our coffee shop here that'll go with these stickers. So this is just going to be a great example about how this machine can be the one-stop shop for your business. Not only can you offer other small businesses custom stickers, but you can also offer them wall decals, window clings, and custom shirts and aprons, all using this one machine. So before we dive into making our aprons, I want to get into some of the stickers that you just saw printing. So we have two different materials here. We have our regular sticker paper. This is similar to like a paper sticker. You'd usually see these, people put them on laptops, they put them on their water bottles, and people love to put them on notebooks. And these are really great for local small businesses for them to sell themselves. So usually in local coffee shops, a lot of the time you'll see stickers that they'll sell to customers, and they can use that for brand recognition and awareness. And they're just a really fun, easy item. Then we have these stickers that are with our permanent adhesive material. So this is a little bit more of like a vinyl type material. It's a little stretchy. It's not like that thick paper cardstock. And these are really great for wall decals. They're great for windows and tons of other things. They're super permanent, so you won't have to worry about this coming off easily. And this is great for their signage. All right guys, so I'm ready to make my aprons. I just want to go over what we're working with here. So we do have two different styles of aprons, both from ColemanandCompany.com. These are actually sublimation certified aprons, so you can sublimation print with them, but they're also great for other things like transfers as well. So we have the waist style here, and we have two different sizes of our coffee shop logo. So the smaller 4x4s will go on our waist, on the side of our waist pocket. Then we have the full aprons here. So these are your full body style. And then we have some bigger logos that are gonna go like a center chest on these. So to get these printed designs ready to be put on the aprons, there's a couple things that we're gonna have to do now. First thing is we're going to weed away the excess material of our vinyl here. And I'm just using a weeding pick for this. It kind of makes it easier to peel away this thin vinyl layer. We're gonna peel this. You'll see it's just leaving our little logos here. All right, move that to the side. Then we're gonna get our mask material. So anytime you're doing heat t-shirts or any type of apparel and you're using a heat transfer vinyl with the Roland, you'll also need to get a mask material. And this is what turns these into transfers. So I peeled off the backing, and then I have this kind of like a hot dog. This is just personally how I like to do this step. Place it in the middle and I let it fall. Then I grab my squeegee and I go from the inside out and just get out any air bubbles and really secure these onto that mask. Once I'm done here. So that's all there is to this part. These are now ready to be cut apart, and then I can heat press these onto the apron. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these smaller designs as well, and I'll meet you over at the heat press. So I'm at the Hotronics Fusion heat press. I'm gonna lay the waist apron on my lower platen here and grab my smaller of the designs. And so we're just gonna remove these two layers away from each other. So get rid of our backing and place this where we'd like it. All right. Nice little corner design there. And then we're gonna press this. Since we have this Hotronics Fusion, it has presets. So I've already put in for our Roland time and temperature for this material for 300 degrees at about 15 to 20 seconds. And we'll press. Right, so time is up now. And this is the HTM3 material, the Heat Soft Plus heat transfer material. So this is actually a warm or a cool peel. So we'll just give this a couple minutes to cool down, and then we'll remove this carrier sheet here. And we want to give it one final press. So we'll grab a finishing sheet, lay that right on top, and press for just 5 seconds. All right, so now the waist apron is complete, and I'm gonna move on and do the full body apron now. So I'll take this off of my heat press, and I'll put my larger apron on, make sure I have the front of it, okay? Lay that down, try and get the seams out of the way. It's gonna help you get a more even pressure And we're gonna do the same thing. So this design is just a little bit bigger. Go ahead and peel back the 2 pieces of material. Place this front and center on our apron. All right, and we'll press. All right, and now we'll just let this cool down a little bit before we peel. Sometimes it's helpful to just pick it up a little bit and air it out. We'll peel this mask away at an angle. Put our finishing shade on and do our final press. So we now have our 2 completed aprons. So if you're wanting to grow your business with signs, banners, and stickers, but also do some apparel with t-shirts and even aprons, then the Roland BN20a is a really great choice for you. So to learn more, visit ColDesi.com and you can live chat with one of our printing pros right then and there. Thanks for watching.